Hello children. Welcome to the world of alphabet. Let us start at the beginning and learn about letter T. This is a T. Shape of hammer. Also looks like T. Do you know that we can show letter T using our hands? Like this. T makes the sound. T. 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 T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a carnivorous animal. T for turtle. A turtle is a reptile that has a shell covering its body. Turtles are known for moving very slowly. T for tree. Trees are living beings, just like people and animals. They give oxygen and take away carbon dioxide. Now, you know about letter T. By great learners.